According to a new report from Digitimes, Apple is working on a new iPhone SE, which could be known as the iPhone SE 2. That device will come with a slightly revamped design, including a glass back that would allow for wireless charging, Digitimes sources said. To keep its price down, however, Apple will likely ditch 3D sensing in the handset. Meanwhile, Apple could be working on a different mix of new iPhones for later this year instead of the 3 that had been tipped previously by KGI Securities analyst Ming-Chi Kuo. According to the report, Apple is working on 2 LCD-based iPhones, including one that has either a 5.7 or 5.8-inch display and another featuring a 6.0 to 6.1-inch screen. 2 other handsets also in the works will come with OLED displays and featuring screens ranging from 6 inches to 6.5 inches, according to the report. The Digitimes sources say that Apple is seriously considering following last year's tack and sticking with 2 LCD models and 1 OLED version. Apple is currently leaning towards removing the 6.1-inch OLED iPhone from the mix and sticking with a 6.5-inch OLED. It would be flanked by the 2 aforementioned LCD models. Any of the new LCD and OLED-based devices would come with wireless charging and 3D sensing, according to the report. There has been significant speculation surrounding Apple's plans for this year's iPhones. Most reports have settled on the company delivering 3 new iPhones, including 2 of those featuring OLED screens and 1 with an LCD. The Digitimes report says it would be quite the opposite. It's unclear why Apple, which last year called the iPhone X the future of smartphones, would still rely so heavily on LCD in 2018. Still, it's possible Apple's OLED panel suppliers won't be able to keep up with demand, forcing Apple to rely more heavily on LCD. Overall, Kuo's track record in predicting Apple's next moves is far better than that of Digitimes, so that should be kept in mind. But as 2018 presses on, look for this debate over Apple's iPhone product mix for later this year to only heat up.